I've just picked up one of the best Amazon FBA deals that I have seen in weeks. I'm talking £120 profit per unit and over 200% ROI. And the best part is I didn't even have to find this deal myself. It was actually Chaos, this amazing bot that I have access to, flagged it up for me. For a while, Chaos has just been focusing on Amazon to Amazon deals. It automatically buys you these type of deals just on your account automatically. But now with more recent updates, it actually even tracks deals from other retailers as well, which has been an absolute game changer in the past couple of weeks. So let me show you this deal and stay tuned to the end because I'm going to be telling you guys exactly how you can get access to this amazing bit of software. So in front of me now, we've got just a screenshot of my Discord server. I blurred a few bits because I don't want to give you guys too much stuff on YouTube. But yeah, we can see here, this is the ping that came through from Chaos. So it was this Vax Hoover here. And I instantly just saw this. I saw it pretty soon after. If you have a look at the time, I think that is an hour out, but it was posted at 15 past 6. It's now 7 o'clock now, so I was very quick. I was buying it within like 10 minutes of this deal flagging up. And I've sold many Vax Hoovers before, so I'm kind of familiar with the brand. And I just thought 59 quid, that seems awfully cheap for a Vax Hoover. And I was right. So I went on Currys, and yeah, indeed, it was actually 59 quid. We've got it at £179, but there is a coupon code where you can get it for £120 off, which is honestly weirdly cheap. I have no clue who at Currys thought it was a good idea to make this a coupon, but I thank them for doing so. Anyway, if we head over to Amazon, this is the Amazon listing for it. You can see that the model numbers match up, so we're definitely sure that this is, you know, the exact same product, as do the pictures, which is something you always want to check before you start looking at an Amazon listing. You can see this listing sells really well, 100 plus bought in the past month, and the profit and the ROI are just off the charts. I mean, it's very rare you see something this high. It's amazing, really. I'm going to be making 120 quid profit per unit, and I've only spent 60 quid, so I'm tripling my money on every sale, basically. So if we head down, we can see on the price chart, things are fairly consistent. You got a few drops down to like 199, but I think I'll be alright. I think I'll manage if the price drops at all. In terms of competition as well, at the bottom, we've got a few other FBA sellers. We've got Amazon themselves, we've got a couple other FBM sellers. But honestly, at these sort of prices, none of this is a concern, you know. It sells well anyway. I mean, even if it wasn't ridiculous profit and ROI, I'd probably still buy it, even though there's a few sellers on this listing. But for this sort of profit, I'm sure that none of these guys are getting this that cheap. And even if they are, again, doesn't matter. So usually I do have everything just sent to my prep center where they'll pack it up and send it into Amazon for me. But for some reason, I wasn't able to buy this deal for delivery. It would only let me do collection. And I was only able to grab a few units. I got 2 at one store and 1 at another store, but both are ready to collect. It was ready to collect within like 10 minutes of me placing my order. And I'm going to take you guys with me as I go and get these Hoovers. So yeah, off to Currys to go and get this. And I am very, very, very excited, to say the least. I mean, it's pretty rare you get this sort of like profit and ROI from a single item. And I'm only going to get the 2 Hoovers. I did order 3 in total. It wouldn't let me order anymore. I think there just wasn't very much stock for them. But the third one is at a different Currys, and I can't really be bothered to go there today. It's like a half an hour, 40-minute drive. Well, 40 minutes at a push. And I got other stuff to do today. I'm going Nando's later. So I'm only looking to go to the Currys that's very near my house. So I'm gonna go there and yeah, go collect the Hoover. So I really do think that, you know, this video in general and this deal really do show the power of kind of using software to your advantage and just, you know, having these sort of ways of sourcing that are a little bit different to what a lot of other people are doing. Like most people, to find that deal, they'd probably manually search Currys, and realistically, by the time they've probably done that and worked through, I don't know, 50 other products, it's probably out of stock by the time I've already cleared out all the stock for it. So it really shows that you do need these sort of tools at your disposal if you really, really want to succeed with Amazon and find these crazy good deals that no one else is really finding. At the end of the day, there's only 50 other people in the world that have access to Chaos. And it's expanding, you know, I'm taking on new mentorship clients and everyone in my mentorship program gets access to Chaos. But, you know, it does put you in a league above other sellers when you have these sort of tools at your disposal. I mean, to make 260 quid and all I've got to do is drive to a store that's 10 minutes drive from my house and then drive to another store that's like another 20 minutes from there, it's pretty easy. And then I just got to send it to Amazon, they do the rest, as long as it's got a label on it so they know it's mine. Simple as. And I like stuff like Hoovers, like oversized appliances and things, because you're able to just slap a label on it and send it into Amazon as is. Like, I'm not gonna have to put any other labels on it or put it in a box or anything like that. I just send it in the box that it'll come in. It's just easy for me, really, because you slap like 2 labels or 3 labels, you put a shipping label on it, an FBA label, and an FNSKU label. And then once you've done that, you drop it off at UPS, and hopefully you never see the Hoover again, and you just wait for that profit to land in your bank account. To be honest, this was a little bit of an impromptu video. I wasn't really expecting to film this video or find that deal, to be honest, but it came up, and the second I saw it, I knew there was some sort of potential, seeing that Hoover that cheap, and sure enough, now I'm on my way to Curry's. Has slightly delayed my Nando's plan, which I'm still not sure if that was worth it, but I think I probably made the right call. I don't know. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Right, we are here. My beautiful car, as always got to get in the video, otherwise what was the point in buying it? And yeah, here we are at Curry's. Let's go get this stuff. Probably won't record like in store because the staff are always weird about that, but I'll update you when I have them.
A few moments later.
There we have it. Here are the Hoovers. It's crazy to think these little boxes represent £120 profit per box. It's pretty mad. It's weird as well seeing these boxes whenever I do retail arbitrage or where I'm picking up from stores and like seeing these items in person. I've sold so many Vax Hoovers, like easily in the hundreds, and I don't think I've ever actually seen one of the boxes. I mean, I guess that's the advantage of having a prep center that just kind of like deals with everything for you. But it's weird, man. Like seeing the boxes, yeah, I don't know what I'm on about. It's cool. Right then, let's go. So yeah, as I said, I'm off to Nando's after, Jesus, that's sun. I'm off to Nando's after this because Curry's closes at 8 and it's 7:25 and there's no way I'll make it to the other store before then. I'm just not trying to rush. I've got other plans. It's my last Nando's. I love Nando's, by the way, if you didn't know this about me, not that you would. But I love Nando's. Have it like every single week with my girlfriend. And I'm off to Singapore and Asia I'm traveling all over Asia over the next few months. I'm off to Singapore on Tuesday, which is going to be lovely, flying business class, all that lovely good stuff. But they don't have Nando's in Asia, which is something I really missed last time when I went to Thailand for 3 months last year. It was one of the first things I ate when I got back. This will probably be my last Nando's for the foreseeable future. Who knows when I'll be back? I've just booked a one-way ticket. And with the nature of my work, I can kind of come back whenever I like. Visas aren't really an issue because you can get a digital nomad visa in Thailand if I wanted to stay for like a long time. But even if I don't want to get a visa and go through that process, it's really easy with Thailand. You basically just go to another country and come back again, and you get like another 30 or 45 days or something like that if you've got a British passport. So yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow when I go to pick up the next unit. Alright guys, we are on our way to the second Curry's. I'm looking less hairy today, and apologies if the audio is now shit because I did manage to forget my microphone at home. So you'll have to do with whatever you're hearing right now. Hopefully it's not too bad. But yeah, this will be the third unit we're picking up, so £360 profit from just those couple units, or 3 units even, from the one deal that Chaos has pinged. So yeah, really excited to go and get it. Just got to the second Curry's. It's a beautiful, beautiful day today. I think I'm gonna head down the beach later, have a little party, something like that. But yeah, spend all my profit tonight on drinking and barbecues. Yeah, it's free, completes the set, all collected now. I just wish that I could get some more because this was just an insane deal. These Hoovers literally sold out like so quick. I mean, I checked today, they're completely gone off the Curry's website. Within like an hour or two of me ordering them, they were like already out of stock. Honestly, like, without Chaos, there is no way that I would have been able to actually like pick these up in time. Without that kind of notification coming through telling me there was some crazy deal on, yeah, there's no way I would have found these. So there you have it. That's £360 in profit from just 3 units from Curry's. And here's the best part, right? No one else is going to be competing with me on these listings. You know, I'm very certain it's going to be basically just me and the other people that have Chaos, of course. Because this deal was just so good, it sold out within hours. The only reason I was able to actually pick it up was because Chaos pinged it the second that it dropped on Curry's, and I just, you know, I was in the right place at the right time watching the output from Chaos. Software like this is the kind of edge that separates seven-figure sellers like me to all of the other people in the online arbitrage game in 2025. You know, I didn't have to waste hours scanning through websites. I didn't have to compete with hundreds of other sellers all on the same listing. I literally just clicked buy, and then I'm straight away picking up profit from Curry's. So if you want access to this tool, right, here's the truth. Chaos has been closed to the public since its launch, and there's over 600 people on the waitlist right now. And you know, on the theme of honesty, being real, the waitlist never moves. You know, at this point, it's kind of for show. Nobody ever actually gets let in off that waitlist. You know, the only way currently to join Chaos is either sweet talking the developers somehow, or from joining my mentorship program. With my mentorship program, you get to skip the queue and get instant access to Chaos, along with one-to-one mentoring from me. You get product leads, group sessions in our Discord server, and just absolutely everything that I use behind the scenes to run my own Amazon FBA business. So if that's something that interests you, head down to the video description and click the link at the top, and you can book in a free consultation call with me, and we'll see if you're a good fit for it. And if this video was a little bit insightful or gave you any sort of value, make sure you drop a like, hit subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.